Hello guys, this is Plant Orchids. Share ko lang po sa inyo yung newly bought na succulents natin guys. Through bus shipment. Ayan sila guys. Ayan, mix yan guys. Succulents and cacti. Mga cactus. Ayan. So, bali, tatlong seller to guys. Si Tinicias, Derseri, and Ma'am Alones. Yan. Yan sila guys. Gagawin natin tong, ayusin natin tong pagka umuwi tayo or bakasyon guys. And, ayan. Ang gulo guys. Kung saan-saan na lang nilagay ng husband ko kasi wala nang space. At gumawa din siya ng, ayan, yung patungan. Dami na pala. Akala ko konti lang. Ayan. So, thank you for watching, guys. Bye-bye for now.